how to search for emails by date in Gmail? Alright everyone, let me show you how. Here, you'll click on this search field, go ahead and click. The first option is to search for emails after a certain date. If you want to search after a specific date, you'll start by typing after, go ahead and type after, followed by a colon. After you put the colon, you simply enter the date. For example, if I want to enter it here, I put the year, then a slash, and then I put the month and the day, okay? You can hit enter, it will perform the search, and emails after the date you entered will be shown. You can also search for emails before that date, and for that you just need to change after here, okay? You can delete after, and instead of after, you'll write before. You can type before and start the search. In this case, there are no emails before this date here. If you want to search between two dates, it's very simple. Leave it here, for example, before this date. I want to find emails before this date and after. Just type after here now, then I put a colon, and follow the same steps. And now I enter the date. So I want emails before this date and after this date. So here I'm setting up emails between two dates. I start the search. In this case, nothing will show up because this Gmail account is new. Okay, guys? But that's how it works. You can search after a certain date, before, or between two dates, alright? So that's it. I hope I helped. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.